welcome to Crochet by Starlight. Today we're going to go over the magic circle. So if you're ready, grab your hook, grab some yarn, and let's get hooking. When I started doing amigurumi or anything that required a magic circle, it was just a nightmare for me because I couldn't understand how to actually successfully complete the magic circle. So after lots of trial and error, watching lots of videos, I finally learned what works best for me. So I thought I would go ahead and put that on film for the rest of you who might be struggling as well. A different perspective, perhaps the way I hold my yarn or my hook might be able to help you out. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're just using a simple worsted weight yarn and a 6mm J10 hook. So basically, let's go ahead and get started. The way I begin my magic circle is I grab my yarn, tail end between my thumb and my first two fingers, wrap it around, cross over, and then I just hold it down with my other fingers. Use my hook, hook side down, under the first, grab the second, pull through, and turn my hook up. Then I just grab, it's not working out very well today, grab my yarn, pull it through. Then I release the hold. You can see my tail is here. So we don't want to get that caught up in our yarn. So we got our hook on, we got our stitch on the hook. Put that hook through that circle, grab your yarn. Now you have two. Yarn over, pull it through. Stick it in the circle, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull it through. You can change the way you hold it. So I'll grasp a couple of stitches there, kind of turn it so it's angled a little better for the way my hands are holding it. Stick my hook in there again, grab my yarn, pull it through, and continue going, pull it through, until I have reached the number of stitches required for my magic circle. And you can see our tail is loose. We can pull that tight, it slides easy peasy. And that's how we do that. We'll do it one more time so you can kind of see again. My palm up, my thumb is going to hold that tail end. I'm going to wrap it around, cross it over, hold it. My needle, going to go under the first one, grab the second one, flip it up. Then I'm going to grab my yarn, stick it through, let it go. Stick your hook into the center of that circle, grab your yarn, pull it through. Now I have my two on there, yarn over, pull it through. Okay, you can reposition again so it's a better grasp for you. Stick it in the circle, yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through, and continue on. Just like that. Now once you get more familiar with how to hold it, whatever works best for you and your style, then you can start practicing other stitches such as a double crochet or a half double crochet, treble crochets, whatever is called for in your pattern. And again, let's pull that tail, make sure it's nice and loose, slides right in, insert into our first stitch here. We'll yarn over. I can yarn over here, pull that through both, and we're good. I'll show you how nice and tight that cinches up. And then you can see, let's tighten up that circle, pull our tail, nice and snug. There you go, nice and tight. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do your magic circle. And if you have any comments or suggestions for videos that you'd like to see in the future, if you like this video, please let me know. Like, subscribe, share this video with others who may be experiencing some challenges with the magic circle. And I hope to see you soon. Happy hooking!